Assalamualaikum dear students. In previous lecture we discussed about exercise 1A question number 1 to question number 4 of chapter number 1 arithmetic and logic unit of your book New Countdown 4. Now we start question number 5. Question number 5 is write in figures with correct spacing. First is 9 million. Write 9 and how many digits on right side in millions? There are 6 digits, so write 6 digit, which is 9 million. And correct spacing mean after 3 digits there is a gap. It's follow the international rule. Now 10 million 10,900,000 is part D. Part B and part C, do it yourself. 10 million after 10 there are 60, but this is 900, so in 100 place, this is 100 place, there is the value of 9, it's mean 10,900,000. okay. Now question number 6 is write the given numbers in words. This is the number, write it. Unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000 and million. It's 1 million. It's 1 million. 289,000 and 56. Okay. Part B, part C and part D, do it yourself. Now question number 7 is write the place value of the circle digits. The circle digit of this number is 8 and the place value of this unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, lakh and 10 lakh, it's 80 million. So write 80 million or 80 millions. Okay. Now question number 8 is write the predecessor of this number. Predecessor mean we minus 1 from that number which is given. This number is given in this part, so write 60, 129 and 808. We subtract it from minus 1, so the answer is 708. These numbers are same. This is the answer. Part B, part C and part D, do it yourself. Now question number 9 is write the successor of this number. Successor mean we add into that number, so 146, 780, 000 is this number, we add it into 1, so the answer is 146, 780, 001. Part B, part C and part D, do it yourself. Now question number 10 is write the number in expanded form. This is the number, so write 7 and after that number there are 6 digits, so write 6 zeros here and then add sign, and there is a 2, write 2 here, and the right side of this number there is 5 digits, it's mean write 5 zeros. Now there is a 0 and right side of this 0 is 4 digits, so write 4 zeros, then add, and for this 0 right side of this zeros is 3 numbers, so write 3 zeros more, and through this 0 2 0 more, and this 1 it's 1 digit, place it into 0 and then plus 7. This is the expanded form as of this number. Now B, C and D, do it yourself. Now question number 11 is fill in the blanks. We put greater than, less than or equals to in this fill in the blanks. Now compare it these two numbers which are greater than, less than, or equals to. What is the blank I will put here? We will put here after judge this number. 6, how many digits having? There are 7 digit. This is 7 digit also, so check this from left side. 6 and 6, it is similar. 9 and 8, this is this place which is 100,000 place, these are different, or the greater number is 9, so this number is greater. Now this number, for the value of this number, the place value of this number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 8. This 7 digit number, these are 8 digit number, and this is also called 8 digit number. So 4 4 5 5 8 8 and 0 and 1, this is greater, so the sign is this. And now part C is 359 359 412 412 1, and there is 0. Oh, 0 and there is 1, so this is greater, so put it greater than this number. Okay, this number are same, so we put equals to. Now this is 9 digit number, this is 8 digit number, so obviously 9 digit number is greater. Okay, now question number 12 is write numbers that match the following expanded form. Okay, this is the expanded form. We write it from left side of this first number: 0 0 0 3 digits, and again 0 0 0 3 digits, and the 6. Now this number 0 0 0 0 0 9, then again this number 0 0 0 0 and 2. This number is 0 0 0 and this 5, and this number is 0 0 0 and this number is 0 2, and this number is 7. Now add it: 7 2 0 5 2 9 and 6. This is the numeral form of this expanded form. We can also convert in this number into expanded form and convert expanded form into this number or numeral form. Do part B and part C, do it yourself from this method. Now last two question is arrange the given numbers in ascending form. Ascending form mean lower to higher number, and arrange the given number in descending form, it is mean higher to lower number. So these three number having 8 digit numbers, so we find it 4 4 4 5 5 5 2 2 3. This is higher number, so 4 5 3 0 8 6 53 is higher. Oh sorry, this is ascending form, so we put lower number. So what is the lower number in this case? This is higher, we cannot write here, but in 2 this is lower, so write 4 5 2 8 8 6 52, and then write this number 4 5 2 9 8 6 5 3, and write this number 4 5 3 0 8 6 5 and 3. Okay, in do question number 2 of this question number 13 part B, do it yourself. Now question number 14 is descending form, the higher to lower. What is the higher number in this case? 69 69 69, these are same. 2 6, this is higher, so write 69 6 4 5 8 2 3, and then lower is this 69 2 4 5 8 2 3, and then lower number is 6 9 0 4 5 8 2 3, this number. Now okay, write it on your copy. Okay, Allah Hafiz.